Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Well, there are many surgical and non-surgical ways you can achieve the look you desire. Joining me today is Dr. Jared Nims from Commonwealth Plastic Surgery to discuss these procedures. How are you, my friend? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It's been a while since you've been in.
Yeah.
Okay, why is non-surgical procedures skyrocketing? You're seeing more and more of them as well.
We are. I think most people are interested in something that is a little less expensive, a little less downtime. They want something that they can come in quickly, have something done, and then move off to whatever event that they want to go to and look fabulous.
But it's just expanding.
Yeah.
The surgical ways are still what we need long term, if that's the path you want to go down to. But having non-surgical, men are now having these procedures.
Yeah, and men and women, and they're interested because I think it's easier, and it's easier to come in and have something that's quick, and they can get basically a small something out of it and not have that major downtime that you can still get with a major procedure. However, as we all age and as the American population is aging, those bigger surgical procedures may see a comeback.
Well, that's why we need people like you.
Right.
Okay, now we're going to bring up some examples of some before and afters that we chose. And we're talking the first one to begin with. Now, this is a tummy tuck, but we're going to talk about, this is a surgical operation, but what could you have had done if it was non-surgical?
There's a lot of things that you could do for this patient.
Okay.
One of them would be something like a cool sculpting or some kind of non-surgical lipolysis.
Right.
Okay, there are a bunch of different methods out there. The issue with those is that they may not give you the amount of tightness.
Because she's tight.
She is very tight in that postoperative picture. And so I don't think you're going to get the amount of tightness that you would get with a tummy tuck. So the question is one of expectation.
Yeah, okay. Let's bring up the second picture that you've got here as well. Now, when you have a non-surgical, of course it's less downtime that we're talking about as well.
Right.
And it's a considerable cost difference.
It is.
Okay, do you think it's a factor of cost when it comes to people's decision?
I think it's easier for them to accept smaller chunks of cost rather than one bigger one.
Yeah.
And so for something, say, like cool sculpting, where, oh, hey, I can only spend so much time. But the problem with that is that you may need multiple treatments. And in the long run, it may be just as much or not more to do the cool sculpting versus liposuction.
And a longer process,
and long term.
It's over a year to almost 2 years.
Right.
Also, let's bring up the next one as well and show us now this, what is where you done
So
here?
this is a liposuction patient, and these are all pictures that are taken off of plasticsurgery.org. And this patient has had some liposuction at their flanks and at their inner and outer thighs.
Wow.
And so this patient had one procedure versus having to have multiple cool sculpting sessions.
So this is what you call a surgical procedure,
and
liposuction.
And this is a great result.
She looks amazing.
Yeah.
Incredible. Let's bring up the next one. And I think we're doing something about the neck as well.
Yeah. So, and these next couple pictures show you the difference between what you can achieve with surgery versus non-surgical procedures. She's had surgery, obviously. She's had a facelift, neck lift, and you can see where that excess skin is there on just below her chin. And the only way to address that is with surgery.
Can I be honest? Doesn't the neck look amazing?
She looks really good.
Wow.
Yeah. So, and the only way to achieve that is with something where you're going to really tighten that skin. And so, for instance, liposuction or cool sculpting or something like that, even dermal filler is not going to achieve that.
Well, let's bring up the dermal filler. We've got one here. This is before and after of facial fillers.
Right.
Now, so this is non-surgical.
Right. This is someone who has just had basically off-the-shelf filler injected into the lines between her nose and her lips and so forth. And they have filled that in where she's lost some volume from aging. And that's something that's easy enough to do.
It's just lunchtime.
Right, exactly. Half an hour it takes in an appointment in the office.
Dr. Nims, I think that looks amazing, and it does take at least 5 to 10 years off your face as well. Yeah. One of the best things that we want to share with everyone at home, Dr. Nims and his office are being very generous. We want to offer you an incredible promotion. Buy one syringe of Sculptra and get one free. Guys, this is a value of $700. It's valid until February 28th. This is the phone number to give them a call on right now. There it is, 859-951-5080. 859-951-5080. There's their Facebook, there's their office address as well, and their website. Dr. Nims, thank you for coming in. We really appreciate it. We'll be right back after this short break, everyone. You're watching Midday Kentucky.